The ideal MBBR is a state-of-the-art fixed film biological process used in municipal and industrial wastewater treatment for BOD and COD removal, as well as nitrification and denitrification. One concept of applying the moving bed biofilm reactor, or MBBR process, is for industrial pretreatment, which shaves off 60 to 80% of the influent BOD, all while lowering the loads heading to publicly owned treatment works, or POTWs. The MBBR process is a 100% flow-through process, meaning the flow rate of the reactor effluent is the same as the influent coming into the reactor. In industrial applications, the water level, or side water depth, is maintained by the gooseneck effluent piping on the outside of the tank. This allows for the reactor to reach its maximum retention time and for complete submergence of the media retention screen. The inside of a reactor does not have moving parts that will require maintenance. First and foremost, each reactor will have specially designed, submerged, freely moving biomedia, providing abundant surface for bacteria, or biofilm, to grow and thrive. Bacteria will grow on the media in multiple layers, allowing the MBBR to be very robust and self-regulating. If an event were to occur, such as a giant pH swing, the media will not lose all of the layers of the bacteria, giving the MBBR the opportunity to recover much quicker than other processes. The bacteria digests the organics in the waste stream and converts the soluble material into biomass, which will be removed downstream by a solid separation system. An MBBR for BOD and/or COD removal or nitrification is an aerobic system, meaning oxygen is introduced into the reactor to allow bacteria growth. Oxygen is brought into the tank by having blowers send air through stainless steel aeration manifolds. The aeration manifolds are strategically placed inside the tank to have even coverage throughout the entire volume of the reactor, and to provide the necessary mixing for maximum treatment during the reactor's retention time. Stainless steel media retention screens are placed on the effluent flange, as well as the overflow and drain flange, to prevent the media from escaping the reactor. The continuous movement created by the media in the tank scours the screen and minimizes any deposition of solids which could create any head loss. Even though the MBBR is robust and can handle many load variations, there can be times, especially in industrial applications, where additional nutrients will need to be supplied. In those cases, an ammonia or phosphorus source may be needed to maintain the proper ratio for the bacteria to thrive and remove the desired amount of soluble organics. Anti-foam may also be needed if the waste stream tends to produce foam. The World Water Works ideal MBBR process provides the smallest footprint biological system. For industrial clients, World Water Works specializes in cost-effective pre-treatment systems, such as combining the MBBR with its own ideal DAF system. The design is simple to operate, at a low capital cost, all while staying tolerant of both load swings and temporary load deprivation. We at World Water Works are ensuring our wastewater treatment systems meet today's challenges while preparing for tomorrow's needs.